Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kit. I teach Cantonese and mathematics to young children. Today I'd like to talk about the word thank you in Cantonese. In Cantonese, we will say "ngoi" or "多谢" when we want to thank people. So in different situations, we use different words. For "ngoi", usually when people give us a service or give us a helping hand, we'll say "ngoi". For example, when we get into a restaurant, a server helps us to open the door, then we'll say "ngoi". And when the server comes to our table, place our order, and serve us dim sum, all of that kind of situations, we'll say "ngoi". Now, sometimes "ngoi" can also be put in the beginning of a sentence, like "唔該可唔可以遞啲點心俾我?" That is, please can you pass on the dim sum to me? Under that kind of situation, we use "唔該". Now, when people give you gifts or give you a compliment, you will say "多謝". For example, you're in a restaurant, you're celebrating your birthday. Your friends give you gifts, and you will say "多謝" for your friends to give you gifts. And when your friends say, "Hey, you look great in that birthday dress," and you will also say "多謝" for the kind words and the compliments that your friends give you. So under that kind of situation, we use the word "多謝". Now I hope you can now tell the difference between the two. 唔該 同埋多謝. They both mean thank you in English, but you say it different. 唔該多謝 in Cantonese. I hope you can now tell the difference between these two words in Cantonese, 唔該 and 多謝. If you have any comments, questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments or send me an email. 多謝收睇. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 下次再見.